Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today we're making some salmon bites with mixed veg. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So here's my salmon that I've cut into little cubes. I'm just going to lightly season this with some fish seasoning and also some all-purpose seasoning. Also gonna just put a little splash of olive oil on the salmon. Now you can give this a good mix, and you can put this down for about, I wouldn't even say it needed no long time to marinate, but at least half an hour you can put it down for. Now when you're ready to cook it, go ahead. I've added literally about a couple of tablespoons of my cornstarch to give it a light coating. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on all social media platforms at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Now when you're ready to cook your salmon, make sure you get a heated pan, add your oil, make sure your oil is heated, and start frying your salmon. Now literally these are quite small, so I did them like for maybe a minute and a half per side. They really don't take a long time. Now I didn't overcrowd the pan, so make sure you don't do that, because then your salmon will tend to steam instead of fried, because when the oil and too much of the moisture mix, it just create a whole big drama where it's not really called for. So do them in separate batches so you know that they are fried. Now after you've fried your salmon, I've removed most of the oil. I went in with some crushed garlic and onion. You can add a little bit of ginger if you want to as well, just a little chop up piece, not too much. Now saute this for about a few minutes, then add your stir fry. Now I've just picked up a stir fry mix from the supermarket. You can pick up the one of your choice, what you like. I'm gonna just lightly season it with my all-purpose seasoning, and I've also gone in with about a tablespoon of my toasted sesame oil. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce and just give that a good mix. Now once you've done this shouldn't take you 5 minutes. Just add your salmon and you're just ready to serve. Switch your heat off at this point, because you don't want your salmon cooking any further, because then it's just going to get too dry. And there you have it, my salmon bites with mixed veg. Now I've gone in and I've just put a little bit of, try to be all fancy and put a bit of, but that's not the sesame seeds, black sesame seeds on there, just like a crunch or like a whatever it add, like a coloring, or I don't know what it adds up. And there you have it, as I said, my salmon bites with mixed veg ready. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.